Here's a look at Storm Tracker 9 live radar being put to work in a big way this morning as thunder showers fired up across parts of Douglas County, moving into southern Linn County and eventually getting to southern Benton and Linn County just after sunrise this morning. Also seeing a few firing up across the Cascades and over into central Oregon. Saw some rain with this. Frequent lightning strikes this morning as well out at the Eugene Airport. Just a trace of precipitation. A little bit more though as you head over into the Springfield area. 65 degrees there at the start of the day. And again, we had two cells that made their way through the Willamette Valley early this morning. One that tracked right through Springfield, Thurston, the Mohawk Valley, then up over the Coburg Hills. It was an intense area of frequent lightning strikes and some heavy rain. You can see it. There goes that yellow cell right there. That moved to the north by about 7 o'clock. It was north of Sweet Home in Lebanon. And then we had a second smaller storm that moved through the west side of Eugene. You can see it go pretty quickly right there. Also moved through Santa Clara, just to the east of Harrisburg, pushing into southern Albany. Now, after about 7 o'clock this morning, a second round fired up in the southern part of the county into northern Douglas County. We also saw some thunder and lightning in the Roseburg area. Some light rain there as well. Temperatures were warm at the start of the day in the upper 60s. So again, continuing to see thunder showers off and on for the first part of the day. And it's all because of this area of low pressure, which is pushed into northern California. We've been talking about that this week, how it would bring in some moisture off from the Pacific and set up an unstable atmosphere here across western and central Oregon, and that is the case for sure today. And this has a few different waves of energy moving in ahead of it. You can think of it like spokes on a bicycle wheel. We saw that first spoke early this morning, second one moving in later this afternoon, and that one's going to be a little bit stronger. It's going to be further to the east, mainly affecting folks over the Cascades and into the foothills, but another round of frequent lightning strikes along with some heavy rain, possible small hail and gusty winds again for the mountain passes and foothills later on today. You can see how this all times out on precision cast. Again, we have that first wave that moved through here overnight and early this morning. Second one pushes in after lunchtime, mainly to the east of us across the Cascades. That continues through late tonight. We'll likely see some clouds in the valley, could see some drizzle as well. Friday, we start out with some brief morning cloud cover, afternoon sunshine, and then by this weekend, mostly cloudy skies as we see that marine layer pushing off from the ocean. Could get some drizzle from that as well. So for those of you along coast, your highs will be in the low to mid 60s. Partly sunny skies. Winds will hold from the northwest today at about 5 to 15 miles per hour. Again, as that marine layer increases this weekend, you could get a little bit of drizzle here Friday all the way through Sunday. The Umpqua Basin, mid 80s for you today. Another chance for a thunder shower late tonight. Best chances, though, are going to be in eastern Douglas County. You'll also see your temperatures drop down into the upper 70s this weekend, low 80s early next week. The Cascades preparing for thunder showers today and over the weekend as well. Highs will stay in the upper 60s. Central Oregon, low to mid 80s for you. Thunder showers also likely this afternoon and again Saturday and Sunday. And for the valley, our highs will be in the mid to upper 80s today. Partly sunny skies. Again, thunder showers in the first part of the day. We'll see another round late tonight. Most of that will be in eastern Linn County. Dry conditions Friday, pretty mild as well. And then Saturday and Sunday, looking at mostly cloudy skies, a little bit of drizzle. Highs will be in the upper 70s. And then early next week, those highs stay parked right there in the low 80s.